Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking an exclusive first look at the 2026 Tiffin Allegro Bus, one of the most luxurious and technologically advanced class of diesel motorhomes on the market. Whether you're a full-time RVer or planning that once-in-a-lifetime road trip, this is a coach that promises to turn every mile into a 5-star experience. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 Allegro Bus continues to impress with Tiffin's signature full-body paint, sleek lines, and premium construction. Built on the Powerglide chassis, it delivers a smooth, stable ride powered by a 450-horsepower Cummins diesel engine. That means more power for towing, better hill climbing, and a quieter ride. You'll also notice features like integrated awnings, frameless tinted windows, and an upgraded cargo bay system with sliding trays for easy access to your gear. When you step inside, it's clear Tiffin isn't just building RVs, they're crafting luxury homes on wheels. The 2026 model features all-new decor packages, including updated cabinetry finishes, designer tile floors, and ultra-modern lighting. You have your choice of floor plans, but one of the standout configurations this year is the 45 OPP. It includes dual sinks in the rear bath, a massive wardrobe, a separate half-bath midship, and opposing expandable sofas in the living area. It's open, airy, and designed for both comfort and function. Technology is a major highlight in the 2026 Allegro Bus. A fully integrated spider control system lets you manage lighting, havoc, tank levels, and even slide-outs from a central touchscreen or right from your smartphone. All major entertainment features have been upgraded, too. We're talking 4K Smart TVs with Bose soundbars, in-motion satellite prep, and optional Starlink integration for blazing fast internet on the road. This rig is perfect for anyone working remotely or streaming their favorite shows while camping off-grid. The kitchen is another showstopper. You'll find a true residential refrigerator, an induction cooktop, a convection microwave, and even a dishwasher, all tucked into polished hardwood cabinetry with soft closed drawers. The solid surface countertops give it a clean, high-end look, and there's no shortage of storage or counter space. Whether you're making a full meal or just your morning coffee, it feels like a real kitchen, not a compromise. In the bedroom, comfort is front and center. A king-sized memory foam mattress comes standard, with an adjustable bed base available as an upgrade. Overhead cabinets, bedside USB ports, and underbed storage make sure you're not sacrificing convenience. The bedroom also features blackout shades, soft accent lighting, and direct access to the rear full bath. And yes, the washer and dryer are still included, stacked neatly behind louvered doors. Now let's talk about the bathroom, which honestly feels more like a luxury spa. There's a dual vanity with beautiful vessel sinks, a porcelain toilet, and a massive tile shower with a glass door and a fold-down teak seat. It's roomy enough to move around comfortably, and there's more than enough cabinet space for toiletries, towels, and linens. Tiffin has also stepped up in terms of safety and driving tech. For 2026, you'll get adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, a 360-degree camera system, and collision mitigation with lane assist. That means driving this 45-foot beast is not only easier, but also safer than ever before. Overall, the 2026 Tiffin Allegro Bus is built for those who want top-tier luxury, smart technology, and robust performance without compromise. From its handcrafted interior finish to its powerhouse engine and intuitive controls, it's clear this RV is made for those who take life on the road seriously and want to do it in style. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions or comments below. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next one.